One of the things that I've learned about myself about building my resilience within the past 2 years is just really valuing the importance of being more conscious with what I'm eating and the just making sure I am eating. I know as we busy parents, busy entrepreneurs, you can get just overwhelmed and you're the last person that kind of prioritizes yourself, but you really do need to prioritize. And I've realized that yeah, just needing some healthy soup and making thank you, Jacqueline, for the Epicure what do we got tonight? Thai coconut soup. That's what I'm making.